How to use Automix on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Settings application on your phone. In the Settings page, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Once you're here, search for or scroll down to find Music and tap on it. This is the Music Settings page. On this page, you can adjust settings like EQ, Sound Check, Dolby Atmos, and Audio Quality. Here, scroll down to the Audio section and go to Song Transitions. Turn on the Song Transition switch over here. With this setting, beginnings and endings of songs blend together seamlessly. Albums and some genres will still play without transitions. Now, go to the Transition Style section and tap on Automix. With this transition style, songs transition at the perfect moment, based on analysis of the key and tempo of the music. Following these steps, you can easily use Automix on iPhone.